Hi everybody, my name is Brian. Now I'm going to tell you a story. The Wolf and the Goat. A goat was grazing at the edge of a high cliff. A wolf saw the goat and smiled wickedly at the thought of his nice goat dinner. The wolf said with a smile, "My friend, goat, aren't you afraid of that cliff? You may fall down from there. Come down here and have this fine grass beside me on safe, even ground." "No, thank you," said the goat. The wolf tried again. "Well, aren't you cold up there? It's warm down here." "No, thank you," said the goat again. "But the grass looks greener and tastes better down here," cried Wolf. The goat replied finally, "My friend Wolf, what are you worried about? My dinner or yours?" The end. Thank you for listening to my speech. Bye-bye.